Introducing the R.L. Williams Company Disposable Glove Program. The right gloves always on hand. Gloves are used in a wide range of industries, including automotive, food service, healthcare, industrial, and janitorial. Gloves are small, making them easy to load and easy to deliver. Their high usage means frequent reorders. Top-level manufacturers and recognizable name brand users enjoy the confidence that comes from consistent quality. Keep control of your inventory while still offering enough options to meet all of your customers' needs. Black nitrile gloves hide dirt and stains, provide contrast to foreign objects, are latex-free, powder-free, and textured for an improved grip. Vinyl gloves provide an economic option for high-usage customers, while latex gloves still account for 10% of glove sales. Offer sample packs for customers to try the products out. Ask R.L. Williams about customizable glove sales literature. R.L. Williams Company, your complete solution for facility services, products, and training.